So here I've got a typical toilet with a broken seat. The lid is broken off on this, and if we have a look here, all the fittings are loose and it's basically broke. The lid's broke off, if you can see there. That's where the lid is snapped. So if you can see that, the lid's snapped. So I've ordered a replacement toilet seat for this particular toilet that we need to repair. So I have a replacement toilet seat here, all measured, ready. It comes with all the fittings there, and I've got a set of instructions there as well. And it's quite simple there. The instructions show you how to actually fit the toilet seat. As you can see, there's the bag of parts, and you don't really generally need any tools for this. Maybe a Phillips or a flathead screwdriver at the most, just to tighten the nuts up on it, and that's all you need. It looks like there's lots of nuts and things there, but if you actually follow this diagram, for example, on the picture I've got, it's actually quite straightforward on how to do it. So yeah, let's put that together and let's get the toilet seat fitted, the new toilet seat. First job is let's disconnect the old one. And there's a couple of big nuts under here. So there we have it. This is what you call a soft close toilet seat, as in you just let it go and it will slowly close on its own. There we go. And of course the lid is exactly the same. It will slowly close on its own. So that's the new toilet seat fitted. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like it, share it, and please subscribe to my channel for more DIY and repair tips. Pretty straightforward to fit a toilet seat like this. Altogether, once you've unpacked it and everything, sometimes that's the longest bit. You know, you're talking a matter of about 5 minutes or so to just fix it together. This had 2 ways of fixing it. You could either do a top fixing or a bottom fixing. I just went for the easiest way to fix it, and there we go, it fits perfectly on the toilet, and I'm happy with the result of that, and the toilet is now fixed. Thanks for watching the video.